Getting a birdie. So the birdie was in the chimney, look. But now, nice and safe, look. Oh, and Emily, look, we've got a window there, Ems.
You're okay, sweetheart.
You're okay. Oh! We'll get it. So listen to that dog, people. She goes bananas for this. And Emily goes for her second try. That wasn't your fault. That's one of those things, you know, where you hold it too tight, isn't it? It's not good. Hold it too softly. It's got to be just right. Right. Watch this. Watch this. Ooh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
Please don't inhale.
I know.
Please don't inhale the dirt.